What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today it will be an update on Cardano. So if you are interested what I am currently thinking about this coin and what is the exact price or the exact setups that I am currently watching here, then definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group. So if you want to know about the exact setups and exact trades that I'm taking, then definitely don't forget to join, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on a 4-hour chart. You can see that here we took liquidity under all of these previous important lows, which is for me super important. Also, you can see that after this liquidity grab, we are currently having a really great bullish volume. So currently I'm expecting we are gonna take liquidity at least in this bearish order block area, which is between levels 0.7893 and 0.7754. So there is still a potential pump around like 4 to like 6.3% of a net market. If I'm gonna switch on the 12-hour chart, I think that from a current level, Cardano can go on really high levels. And if you, for example, want to open here right now a long position, this might not be that bad idea, because if you will place the stop loss just under this current low, which will give you a current stop loss around 7.89, so like 8% of a net market stop loss, you will get, in my opinion, really great setup, because if we are gonna break this current low, there is, in my opinion, pretty high probability that we are gonna retest this lower bullish order block area, so there is no point of holding this losing position longer than it's necessary. Last take profit targets you can then place, for example, above this bearish order block area, so above the level 1.23, and this will give you a potential risk reward ratio up to 8.65. Definitely in a trade like this, you don't want to take only one take profit target, so you want to take multiple take profit targets, because there is absolutely zero guarantee that we are eventually gonna like retest or like test this area. So some of the profits you want to take under this bearish order block area, which is between level 0.856 and 0.822. Next profits you can take under and above this next bearish order block area, which is between levels 1.01 and 0.930, and then you can save some back to elastic profit target. Perhaps you can take some of the profits between those two order block areas, which will give you in the end a potential profit or like potential risk reward ratio around like 6, something like that, which is, in my opinion, really great potential trade. When it comes to a risk management, which is another super important thing, because if I am showing you, like, for example, the exact setup that I'm planning to take, it definitely doesn't mean that I am placing on this trade, let's say, a high percentage of my trading capital. And for a trade like this, I would risk something around like 1% of my trading portfolio. So if this trade will be stopped by stop loss, which can definitely happen, because especially in my trades we are working with positive risk reward ratio always. So even if I don't have like 50% win rate, but I have, for example, slightly less, I am still very profitable. But for example, for the past couple of months, I think from like 12-13 trades I made, I don't know exactly, something like that, I had only one stop loss. So for example, the previous month was really great, but my, let's say, win rate is usually not that high. So the thing that I want to say is that there is definitely some probability that this trade can be stopped by a stop loss, and if this trade will be stopped by a stop loss and I will eventually enter this long position, because I still didn't do this, because I'm still not convinced. There are other factors that I'm currently waiting for. I will show you later in this video. But if I will be opening here a trade like this, for a stop loss, I would risk around 1% of my trading capital. The other thing that is really important for me is total to chart, because right now we are retesting here this previous important low, which is currently super important resistance, and right now there is, in my opinion, higher probability that market can go for another lower retest. Of course, I want to see here a support confirmation, and if there will be breakout with a support confirmation, I want to open here that Cardano position, but currently during this last dump on the current prices, or like on the slightly lower prices, I already opened 2 long positions. So currently I'm not in a rush to open another potential long trades, but if there will be a support confirmation of this previous low, so of the level 1.4, I will be definitely considering taking that Cardano long. And if I'm gonna switch on a daily time frame, you can see the altcoin market cap perfectly react to like this bearish order block area. We had here a dump around like 15%, 15% of a net market. So congratulations to everybody who also with us took most of the profits when we retested this area right there. And right now we can use this correction to open another long position, because I think that in the long-term perspective we are still going up. We are most likely gonna break this bearish order block area, but this was like definitely a great opportunity to sell the profits, and now we can buy some more coins. Also, I want to say that if you, for example, want to know about all the coins that I'm watching, then definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group, where I am sharing my exact analysis every single day. Link to join is in the description or in the comments, and you can join. It's completely free. There is plenty of useful information. If I'm gonna switch on a daily time frame on Cardano, if there will be another correction, then watch this bullish order block, but right now I don't think there is that high probability that we are gonna retest this area. But if we will be opening here that long position that I was talking about, definitely pay attention to this bearish order block on a daily time frame and take some profits under level 0.788, because this will be really important resistance on a daily time frame. If I'm gonna switch to a weekly chart, in my opinion, Cardano is still very undervalued. That's another main reason why I'm thinking about opening here some long-term long position. And I think that in this bull market, there is still very high probability that we are gonna hit something like $2 mark, something like that. And if I will be opening here some long-term long position, this can be my main take profit target. As I said in my previous video, some of the profits I am planning to keep to like $4 mark, which is my super bullish scenario. So if there will be really huge alt season, because Cardano can be right now part of the US reserve, or like we can see that like US government is having absolutely zero problem with this coin. This is super useful information and super useful news if we want to predict where exactly Cardano is gonna go. So for me, the, let's say, last take profit targets that I want to see here is a $4 mark. So from a current level, this is still a potential pump around like 440% of a net market, but as I said, most of the profit, around like 70%, I want to take under $2 mark, which is from a current level still a potential profit around 171%. So yeah guys, this will be all from me for today. Definitely let me know in the comments what are your exact thoughts about this coin, and for example, what is the exact price that you think this coin is gonna hit. And if you want to know about all the coins that I'm looking at, definitely, as I said, don't forget to join my Discord trading group, where I'm sharing these types of setups every single day. Link to join is in the description or in the comments. So hey guys, this will be all from me for today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.